How to get a man to say I love you fast. 3 tricks to get him to say I love you. Do you need to know how to get a man to say I love you finally? This was created just for you then. Here you will find some great tips and tricks on how to get your man to open up and express those 3 little words that you have been waiting to hear for a while. Trick number 1. Never come across desperate. Men are totally turned off by a desperate woman. They want to be the breadwinner and seen as the one making things happen. When you go up to the man on the topic of expressing his love and bothering him, this will turn him off and he will never say what you want. You want to come across as cool, collected, and together. You're a great person and have other things going on besides him. You can still show you care, but don't go overboard. He should see this and it will motivate him to say those words more. Trick number 2. Start having deeper conversations with him. You may love talking about TV shows, sporting events, and latest things going on in the news. Unfortunately, these don't set the mood for him to say things like I love you. So start having a conversation about things like personal secrets about yourself that either no one knows or few others do. You can talk about life events that have happened to you personally that have had a real meaning for you and affect how you deal each day. When you start opening up about these more personal things to him, then he will feel free to express his deeper thoughts. You will bond more, and it will be easier for him to say those special words you have been waiting to hear. Trick number 3. Spend a day of intimate just you 2 time. Have you 2 just spent a whole day in bed hanging out together? Give it a try. This will definitely help you with how to get a man to say I love you in a hurry. You can clear out your whole day and just be with one another. You can order in and eat all your favorite dishes. Watch some TV shows or movies that you love. You can even have some wine to relax you both more. This can help create the perfect scene for him to let down his emotional guard and express what he is truly feeling towards you. Finally, remember this. Men have a very important need for approval and hate any situation that can humiliate them or leave them feeling embarrassed. They generally also don't say anything they don't mean because they know they will have to live up to the expectations of it in the end. While you can help a man along, he ultimately needs to come to this conclusion and say it on his own. You can get him to say I love you or at least steer him in the direction by using any one of these simple tricks. Want to get your man to really fall deeply and madly in love with you? Want him to take his love for you to a whole new other level? Fast? Click the link in the description to unlock the secrets to make this happen now.